Today is September 6, 2015, and today's gonna be a special day. Do you know why?
Because every day is a special day!
Hooray! And we are checking on you in Hollywood. Not to be confused with the cooler Hollywood. This is Hollywood, Florida we're talking about. And today we're gonna go parasailing. And that's gonna be fun. And if you don't know what it is, just forward in the video or something. Because I didn't know what parasailing was until I Googled it. So,
wow.
No, I didn't. So, definitely gonna enjoy that.
I wish that I was in your shoes. Maybe I'd understand the pressure. My temper's always on the loose. I made a vow to forget. You break the fall. It's not easy to trust. I wanna love you, but I'm just too cynical. Relive the words they never hear. I know it hurts you, but I just can't leave it alone. I caught you playing in the fire. Did you feel at home? Did you feel at home? My mind is winding down a spiral. I don't know where I go. You break the fall. It's not easy to trust. I wanna love you, but I'm just too cynical. Relive the words they never hear. I know it hurts you, but I just can't leave it alone. You break the fall. It's not easy to trust. I wanna love you, but I'm just too cynical. You break the fall. It's not easy to trust. I wanna love you, but I'm just too We found our ways to make it work. Two different people in one.
So, I did not expect that parachuting thing to happen that quick. You know, I did the intro video and then they put us right on the boat. So, how was it, Rico?
Very
Every day
relaxing.
is a special day.
Thank you so much, Ati.
You're welcome.
It was really fun. Hope you guys enjoyed it too. Good footage of that.
We found our ways to make
We're stopping by a grocery store now. Grab some lunch or something.
You say failure is a curse. Sometimes a blessing is unknown. You break the fall. It's not easy to trust. I wanna love you, but I'm just too cynical.
We didn't get to go shooting at that outdoor place, but we came to another one. This one's called Nexus, and it's an outdoor shooting range. Hopefully we can shoot in this one. Mom, are you excited to shoot some people?
No.
Yes, she is.
I wanna love you, but I'm just too cynical. You break the fall. It's not easy to trust. I wanna love you, but I'm just We found our ways to make it work. Two different people in one moment. You say failure is a curse. Sometimes a blessing is unknown.
Drop it.
You break the fall. It's not easy to trust. I wanna love you, but I'm just too cynical. Relive the words they never hear. I know it hurts you, but I just can't leave it alone. You break the fall. It's not
we're just done shooting. It was amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage. I'm glad my mom got to try it. I'm glad everyone got to try it. It's really nice. So we're in Las Olas Avenue, and it's pretty much the social, gosh, I can't talk, social spot in downtown Fort Lauderdale. And there's a lot of restaurants down here, a lot of clubs, a lot of shopping to do. It's very fun. A lot of shopping too. So this vlog is probably one of my favorite vlogs. It was pretty eventful. We went parasailing and then we went shooting. I love vlogs that have a lot of material in it. Anyways, a shout out to my sister for treating us out, and also her boyfriend Flavi. And thank you for watching, and have a good whatever.
We'll run to the future.